Assalamualaikum guys, hope you guys liked my last video. Do like, share, subscribe and definitely try this recipe. Today I'm sharing my own upma recipe. This is not the very usual boring upma you eat every day. This is going to be delicious as well as most healthiest. So let's get cooking. Yes, for this recipe I have taken one medium-sized capsicum, one large carrot, two medium-sized tomatoes and few cloves of garlic, one large onion and one medium-sized onion, few beans and coriander leaves. I am also going to use one can of tuna. This is optional. You can use only veggies or if you like you can replace it with chicken, beef or whatever you like. Chop all your veggies into cubes, preferably same size because it will look nice in your food. I used only one large onion, thought it's enough and I'm not chopping the tomatoes as it needs to get pureed later. You can use different vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, beetroot, spring onions or whatever you like. It's really up to you. If you like, you can use ginger garlic paste instead of chopped garlic, but I like chopped garlic in my food. Now all the vegetables are chopped and ready to get cooked up. I'll be grinding these two tomatoes with 1 cup water to get the puree. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil or butter or ghee to the pan and add 1.5 cup of semolina to the pan and dry roast it for about 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. Semolina will turn aromatic and crispy. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Add around 5 teaspoons of olive oil to the pan and add chopped onion to it and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and add chopped capsicum, chopped carrots and chopped garlic. Saute it and at last add chopped beans. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 3 teaspoons of chili powder. Mix it well, cover and cook it for 3 minutes. Add the tomato puree and mix it well and finally add 1 can of tuna. As I said earlier, you can replace it with chicken, beef or skip this step to make vegetable upma. I have already added 1 cup water along with the tomato puree. So now I am adding 2 cups of water to this. So the ratio goes as for 1.5 cup of semolina you need 3 cups of water. For every 1 cup of semolina, you need 2 cups of water. Cover and let the curry boil. When the curry starts to boil, add the roasted semolina to it and slowly mix it with the curry. Semolina is not yet cooked, so keep the flame in medium and cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now the very soft and delicious Ravaupma is ready. This is the best because I have added lots of veggies to it. And tuna adds an extra flavor to this. You can reduce the number of veggies if you like. Garnish your upma with chopped coriander leaves and enjoy this delicious upma. I hope you all would try this method to add flavor and colors to your boring upma. See you again with another video. Stay safe and stay healthy.